Hello, I'm Logic Bunny, and come with me down the rabbit hole of knowledge.
Ever wondered why your messages travel across the world in an instant, or how a video streams flawlessly to your phone without a single physical wire touching it? It often feels like pure magic, doesn't it? That sensation of something working effortlessly, yet entirely beyond our sight, can be both amazing and a little bewildering. It's like watching a flock of birds move as one, a seamless dance across the sky, and feeling that quiet, natural pull to understand the unseen forces guiding their flight. This feeling of wonder, mixed with a gentle bewilderment, is a deep and honest response to the vast, invisible currents that shape our modern world. But what if I told you the internet isn't some mystical cloud floating high in the sky, or a phantom force that just is? What if I revealed that it's actually a massive, tangible network right here under our feet, beneath the oceans, and woven through the very air around us? It's a physical web built with incredible human ingenuity, a testament to our relentless desire to connect and understand. This intricate tapestry is far more real, far more grounded in the undeniable laws of physics and engineering than any fleeting digital illusion. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on this incredible, invisible superpower that connects us all. We'll explore the logic that makes the seemingly magical totally understandable, like the legendary Bill Nye might exclaim, "Science rules." And indeed, it's the beautiful, consistent rules of science that allow this global conversation to happen. We're not just going to learn what the internet is, but we're going to gently uncover how it works, demystifying the complex and revealing the elegant simplicity beneath. This journey isn't about complicated jargon. It's about seeing the profound truth behind everyday miracles. Get ready to see the invisible become crystal clear, to feel the solid ground beneath the digital waves, and to discover the real, tangible power behind your screens. This understanding will not only satisfy your curiosity, but will also empower you with a deeper connection to the principles that govern our interconnected world. We're about to embark on an adventure into the very heart of digital connection, transforming that initial spark of wonder into a clear, bright flame of knowledge. Stay curious, for the answer might surprise you with its elegant brilliance. Have you ever felt a quiet sigh of resignation when someone mentions the cloud or wireless, as if these words belong to a secret language you're just not meant to understand? That feeling, that sense of being outside the circle of knowledge, is a profoundly human response to abstract terms that seem to float just beyond our grasp. It's a valid pain. This quiet belief that the internet is too complex, too ethereal, too much like magic to ever truly make sense. It can make you feel disengaged, as if the digital world is a realm for others, not for you. But let's gently unravel this. There's a widespread, comforting misconception that the cloud is some non-physical, misty storage space up in the sky, or that wireless means no wires are involved anywhere in your connection. It's easy to imagine our photos and messages simply floating through the air, existing without a physical home. Yet, this can lead to a superficial understanding, leaving us feeling disconnected from the true, incredible architecture that makes it all possible. The surprising reality, the beautiful truth, is that the cloud is simply someone else's powerful computer, or rather, enormous buildings filled with countless computers working tirelessly to store and process your data, and wireless connections, while freeing us from cables in our immediate space, still rely on a vast, intricate web of physical cables and hardware that span continents and oceans. Think of it like a beautiful bird in flight. While it soars freely, its journey began and will end on solid ground. Next time you open an app, try a simple mental exercise. Visualize your data, that tiny message, that piece of your digital life, as a message in a bottle. It doesn't just vanish into the ether. It travels through real, physical tubes, fiber optic cables, beneath streets and seas to a specific building, a data center, where it's stored or processed. The internet isn't a magical, floating mist. It's an intricate, global spiderweb made of glass threads, constantly humming with the energy of billions of tiny, flickering lights. Each flicker is a piece of your digital life, faithfully making its journey across a very real, very physical landscape. Stay curious, for understanding this hidden reality brings a deeper sense of connection to the world around you. Have you ever felt that quiet anxiety, that subtle unease of not truly knowing how your digital whispers traverse the vastness of the world? It's a valid feeling. This sense that our online interactions happen within a mysterious black box, fostering a silent fear of asking those dumb questions about how it all truly works. This feeling can make the internet seem less like a tool and more like an enigma, a place where understanding is reserved for a select few. We often believe that sending a message or loading a website is an instantaneous, single-step magic trick. We tap send and poof, it's there. But this overlooks the mind-blowing, intricate dance of routing and conversions that occur in mere milliseconds, a symphony of engineering that truly deserves our wonder. It's not a single, unbroken line, but a complex, living system. Here's the beautiful, surprising truth. When you send a message, it's broken down into countless tiny pieces, like a puzzle scattered into individual fragments. Each piece, called a packet, is stamped with an address. These packets then embark on their own independent journeys, weaving through a maze of routers and servers, often taking different paths, like individual birds finding their way through a dense forest. Only when they all arrive at their destination do they reassemble, perfectly reconstructing your original message. It's a testament to the incredible logic and resilience of the network. What if you could actually watch this journey unfold? You can, in a way. There's a simple, powerful tool called traceroute, which you can use right from your computer's command prompt or an online tool. It allows you to visually track the real-time path your data takes to reach a favorite website, revealing the actual geographical hops and network devices involved. It's like tracing the flight path of those digital pigeons, seeing each coop and perch they visit along the way. Your message isn't a single bullet. It's a flock of digital pigeons, each carrying a tiny piece of the greater message, navigating a global city of interconnected pigeon coops, which are our routers. They each find their own optimal path until they all arrive at the destination, ready to reform the original thought, perfectly whole. This intricate, coordinated effort is the invisible superpower at play. Stay curious, for understanding this journey deepens your connection to the miraculous world of digital communication. Have you ever felt a subtle sense of disempowerment? A tiny whisper of being disconnected from the physical reality of the technology you use every single day? It's a valid feeling. This quiet distance from the tangible gears and wires that power your digital world, and it can diminish your sense of agency, making you feel like a passive observer rather than an active participant in this incredible era. Many of us assume that all internet connectivity is based on satellites or is purely wireless, a magical transmission through the air. It's easy to overlook the monumental engineering feat that underpins almost everything we do online. Hundreds of thousands of miles of fiber optic cables laid with painstaking precision under the world's vast oceans. This isn't just a simple connection, it's a silent, colossal effort of human ingenuity. The astonishing scale and quiet vulnerability of this undersea cable network is truly mind-blowing. These cables, often no thicker than a garden hose, carry a staggering 99% of all intercontinental data. Imagine that. Almost every single TikTok video, every message, every streamed movie, every piece of information crossing oceans travels through these delicate threads. Yet, they are susceptible to unexpected challenges, from curious shark bites to heavy ship anchors, and even the powerful shifts of natural disasters. They are the internet's hidden heroes, working tirelessly, often unseen. To truly grasp this, what if you could explore these hidden pathways? You can. Online interactive maps of submarine cables, like those found on websites such as Submarine Cable Map, allow you to visualize this global web of connections. You can zoom in, see the cables nearest to your own location, and understand their vital role in linking your world to everyone else's. It's a powerful way to connect with the physical reality of our digital lives. These aren't just mere cables, they are the planet's nervous system, carrying the electrical impulses of human thought and connection. They are laid delicately across the ocean floor, linking distant continents in a silent, subterranean embrace, a testament to our profound need to reach out and connect? The answer might surprise you with its depth and sheer scale. Stay curious, for in understanding these hidden pathways, you begin to truly feel the pulse of our interconnected world. Have you ever felt a quiet sigh of defeat when faced with technical terms like routers or servers, believing that understanding them is reserved only for tech experts? That feeling, that subtle whisper telling you these complex concepts are beyond your reach, is a valid and deeply human response to jargon that often feels like a closed door. It can reinforce a self-limiting belief about your own intellectual capacity, making the internet seem even more mysterious. But let's gently reframe this. We often overlook the crucial roles of routers and servers, perhaps seeing them as mere passive boxes or background elements, rather than the intelligent traffic cops and vast libraries that tirelessly make the internet function. It's easy to dismiss what we don't immediately comprehend, but in doing so, we miss the profound elegance of their design. The truth is, routers are like the postal sorting offices of the internet, directing millions of tiny data packets every second. Imagine your message, once broken into pieces, arriving at a hub where a router meticulously reads its address and quickly decides the fastest, most efficient path for it to continue its journey. And servers, they are the digital libraries, the shops, the vast archives storing all the information, websites, and services we access. Every time you load a web page or stream a video, a server is tirelessly working to deliver that content directly to you. Consider a simple analogy. Imagine your home router as a miniature air traffic controller for your devices. It's constantly guiding your data planes, those tiny packets, to and from the internet's giant airport, which are the immense server farms scattered across the globe. Each packet, like a plane, has a destination, and the router ensures it takes the right runway and flight path. This constant, silent orchestration is happening every moment you're online. If the internet is a vast, bustling city, then routers are its vigilant traffic police, guiding the flow of information with incredible precision and speed, preventing digital traffic jams. And servers are the towering skyscrapers, each housing countless stories, shops, and archives ready to be explored at your command. They are the brains and the memory working in harmony. Let's dive into the logic of how these digital navigators empower our connections. The answer might surprise you with its intricate brilliance. Stay curious. Have you ever felt a quiet frustration? A subtle longing to understand how things truly work rather than just using them? That feeling of being a passive consumer of technology, watching from the sidelines as complex systems operate beyond your grasp, is a valid and deeply human experience. It can lead to a sense that creative problem solving in the digital realm is beyond your influence, fostering a quiet resignation that these intricate systems are simply not for you to dissect or understand. But let's gently challenge that. There's a common belief that building or even truly understanding a network requires specialized, expensive equipment or advanced computer science degrees, effectively discouraging any hands-on exploration. This idea can create a barrier, making the world of connections seem inaccessible. Yet, the beautiful truth is that the fundamental principles of networking are surprisingly simple and can be explored with everyday items. The core of network principles lies in how information travels from one point to another. What if you could create a basic network with just a few wires, lights, and switches, demonstrating the core concepts of data transmission and addressing? This isn't about building a full-scale internet in your room, but about grasping the elegant logic that underpins it all. It's about realizing that the immense complexity of the internet is built upon surprisingly simple, repeatable actions. Imagine a simple DIY project. Building a basic wired communication system between 2 points. You could use a battery as your power source, wires to connect, small LEDs as your messages, and simple switches to send those messages. By flipping a switch, you send a light signal, a tiny piece of information, to another LED. This simple act illustrates the fundamental concept of data transmission and even hints at packet switching, sending distinct signals that form a larger message. It's a tangible way to feel the logic. Just as a single drop of water can be part of a vast, profound ocean, understanding how to connect to simple points with a wire is the first, powerful step to truly grasping the immense, interconnected ocean of the internet. It reveals that the spirit of inquiry, applied to even the smallest components, can unlock the secrets of the largest networks. Prepare to have your mind blown by the simple elegance of connection. Stay curious, for the answer might surprise you with its profound accessibility. We have journeyed together, tracing the delicate, powerful threads that weave the very fabric of our digital existence. From the initial mystery of the invisible cloud to the hidden heroism of undersea cables, from the intricate dance of data packets to the vigilant guidance of digital traffic cops, we have gently peeled back the layers of the internet. That quiet ache of bewilderment, that feeling of being lost in a world of unseen forces, can now begin to soften. You have seen that what once felt like an ungraspable mystery is, in truth, an incredible feat of human ingenuity and engineering built on clear, understandable scientific principles. Remember the wisdom shared by figures like Ibarra the Norio, who shows us that understanding how things really work doesn't diminish the wonder, it makes it even more astonishing. The internet isn't magic, but a magnificent expression of natural laws and human collaboration. It's like watching a complex clockwork mechanism, where each tiny gear and spring works in perfect harmony, and instead of feeling confused, you now feel a deep appreciation for its precision and purpose. This newfound clarity is a gift, a gentle balm for any past frustration, transforming it into a quiet sense of accomplishment. Now, you are no longer just a passive user drifting on the surface of this digital ocean. You are an informed explorer, equipped with the profound knowledge to question, to understand, and perhaps even to build the next big thing that connects us all. Your mind, once perhaps hesitant, now holds the keys to unlocking more mysteries, to seeing the elegant logic in the everyday. This is your birthright, this spirit of inquiry, this desire to truly know. As a symbolic practice, the next time you connect to the internet, take a slow, deep breath. Close your eyes for a moment and visualize a single thought, a single message leaving your device. See it as a tiny, shimmering light traveling through real wires and cables beneath the earth and across the vast ocean floor, guided by countless unseen routers until it reaches its destination. Feel the quiet power of that journey. This is the pulse of our interconnected world, and you are intimately a part of it. What other hidden wonders, powered by logic and ingenuity, are waiting for your curious gaze? Go forth, connect, create, and keep that curiosity sparking.